Boldt HVAC is a trusted provider of furnace repair in South St. Paul, Minnesota 55075, offering expert service in heating and cooling systems and HVAC maintenance. With a focus on indoor air quality, energy efficiency, and competitive pricing, their skilled technicians ensure reliable and efficient solutions for homes throughout the Twin Cities metro. Are you looking for a furnace repair in South St. Paul, Minnesota 55075? You can stop looking, you found Boldt HVAC. How much does furnace repair cost in South St. Paul, Minnesota 55075? The price of furnace repair at Boldt HVAC depends on the type of issue and furnace model, with costs ranging from simple repairs to more involved fixes. Their rates are competitive with other HVAC services in the Twin Cities region. Can Boldt HVAC help improve indoor air quality while repairing my furnace? Yes, Boldt HVAC can address indoor air quality along with furnace repairs. They provide services like installing humidifiers and air filtration systems to improve air quality and increase home comfort. What is the service area of Boldt HVAC? Boldt HVAC provides services at a variety of locations in Eagan, Minnesota, including Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, and Richfield. Where is Boldt HVAC located in South St. Paul, Minnesota 55075? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121. Our phone number is 651-300-6145. Visit our website at www.bobvots.com.